Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Myra here. Today I'm going to show you how I do my kilay using this EB Advanced Eyebrow Kit. Today we will be using this EB Advanced Eyebrow Kit, and this is what the packaging looks like. And let me show you what's inside. So when you open this up, we have a mirror over here, and then we have 4 pans, and then inside, meron siyang brush, small angled brush, and then meron siyang maliit na tweezers. So inside, ayan, meron siyang wax, and then 4 shades of brow product. Ayan, let me zoom you in para makapagsimula na tayo. So there are 2 ways that I use this product. One is for an everyday brow look, and the other is for that placado glammed eyebrow look. I'll be showing you both today. So for the first look, we have that everyday eyebrow look. And for that, I'll be using this lightest brown shade. And I'm just going to get some product there. And for this look, I'm just going to be using a shading technique. So what I do is, I start here where my highest point of my arch is, and then I simply fill in my brows here, and then I stop here, then I go back and get some more products and then do the tail. Ayan, so ganyan siya. Naka-fill in lang yung brows ko for an easy eyebrow look. So ginagawa ko to kapag nagmamadali ako and meron akong gagawing errands and mabilisang makeup lang yung kailangan kong gawin. So this is what I do. I'll just fill them in with that light brown shadow. Now for that placado look. Kapag kailangan naman ng mahaba-habang aurahan ng eyebrows ko at kailangan talaga plakadong-plakada siya. So the first thing I do is I get the wax, konting-konti lang, and then I spread it around my kilay. Ayan, the wax is going to hold the hairs in place. And it's going to hold the product as well. Ayan. Konti lang guys ha. Kasi konti lang naman talaga yung kailangan natin. There. Okay, and then I'm going to get the darker shade here, and I'll be using that to outline my brows. I'm just going to dip my brush into the wax, and then itong maliliit na hairs dito sa harap, I'm just gonna brush them upwards like so. Ayan. And then you can just clean up the edges with a concealer. Ayan, so this is how my kilay looks. So, syempre, hindi siya pantay, diba? Ito, ginagawa ko lang to pag pang everyday lang, madali lang siya, easy lang. And then, this one, I use this for full face, glam makeup talaga. Kailangan pack na pack at plakadong-plakado yung kilay natin. Ito yung ginagawa ko. As you can see, ito medyo makapal kesa dito because we put a lot of products here and we had to line the edges of the eyebrow, so it made the eyebrow look thicker and fuller. So yan. Pag pang everyday lang, ayan, in-intensify lang natin yung mga areas na walang hair. Ayan. So pang everyday lang to, ito pang pak-aurahan. I hope I was able to help you with your kilay problems. Ayan, you can choose this look or this look. Depende yan kung paano kayo aara. There you go, guys. Sana nakatulong tong video na to. If you like this video, don't forget to give this a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified on my upcoming videos. Again, guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you again next time. Bye!